Prokaryotic cell.
1. What is the difference between a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? A prokaryotic cell is a simple cell that lacks a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, whereas eukaryotic cells are complex cells that have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. 2. What is the function of the cell wall? In prokaryotic cells? Answer: the cell wall provides structural support and protection for the cell. 3. Which type of prokaryotic cell has a thicker peptidoglycan layer in its cell wall, gram-positive or gram-negative? Answer: gram-positive bacteria have a thicker peptidoglycan layer in their cell walls compared to gram-negative bacteria. 4. What is the function of the nucleoid in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the nucleoid is the region of the cell where the genetic material DNA is located. It is not enclosed by a membrane. 5. What is the function of pili in prokaryotic cells? Answer: pili are protein structures that help bacteria attach to surfaces or other cells. They can also be used for transferring genetic material between cells. 6. What is the function of flagella in prokaryotic cells? Answer: flagella are long whip-like structures that help bacteria move through liquid environments. 7. What is the function of ribosomes in prokaryotic cells? Answer: ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis. 8. What is the structure of ribosomes in prokaryotic cells? Ribosomes in prokaryotic cells are smaller in size compared to eukaryotic ribosomes. They consist of two subunits, a large subunit and a small subunit. 9. What is the function of the cytoplasm in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the cytoplasm serves as the site for many metabolic reactions. 10. What is the role of plasmids in prokaryotic cells? Answer: plasmids are small circular DNA molecules that can be exchanged between bacteria. They often contain genes that provide the bacteria with an advantage in certain environments. 11. What is the function of the cell membrane in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the cell membrane regulates the passage of substances in and out of the cell. 12. What is the function of the capsule in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the capsule is a protective layer that surrounds the cell wall. It helps the bacteria resist phagocytosis by host immune cells. 13. What is the function of endospores in prokaryotic cells? Answer: endospores are dormant, highly resistant structures that can survive harsh environmental conditions. They allow bacteria to survive and remain dormant until conditions become favorable for growth. 14. What is the function of plasmodesmata in prokaryotic cells? Answer: plasmodesmata are small channels that allow communication and transport of materials between adjacent cells in some prokaryotes. 15. What is the function of gas vesicles in prokaryotic cells? Answer: gas vesicles are structures that allow some prokaryotic organisms to adjust their buoyancy in water by regulating their position in the water column. 16. What is the function of the periplasmic space in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the periplasmic space is the region between the cell membrane and cell wall. It contains enzymes that can break down nutrients and other compounds. 17. What is the function of inclusion bodies in prokaryotic cells? Answer: inclusion bodies are composed of accumulated metabolic products and provide a reserve of nutrients for bacteria under nutrient-deprived conditions. 18. What is the function of the mesosome in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the mesosome is a pouch-like invagination of the cell membrane that plays a role in cell division and DNA replication. 19. What is the function of the glycocalyx in prokaryotic cells? Answer: the glycocalyx is a sticky matrix on the surface of some prokaryotic cells that helps them adhere to surfaces and protect against environmental stresses. 20. What is the function of the nucleolus in prokaryotic cells? Answer: prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleolus, as they lack a membrane-bound nucleus. Practice makes man perfect.
MCQS. 1. What is the fundamental characteristic of a prokaryotic cell? A. Presence of a true nucleus. B. Absence of a true nucleus. C. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. D. Absence of a cell membrane. Answer: B. Absence of a true nucleus. 2. What is the shape of most prokaryotic cells? A. Round. B. Square. C. Rod-shaped. D. Spiral-shaped. Answer: C. Rod-shaped. 3. What is the function of the cell wall in prokaryotes? A. To provide structural support. B. To regulate the movement of substances in and out of the cell. C. To aid in reproduction. D. None of the above. Answer: A. To provide structural support. 4. What is the function of the pili in prokaryotes? A. To provide structural support. B. To aid in reproduction. C. To aid in movement. D. To facilitate the transfer of genetic material between cell. Answer: D. To facilitate the transfer of genetic material between cells. 5. Which of the following is not a characteristic of prokaryotic cells? A. Small size. B. Lack of membrane-bound organelles. C. Presence of a true nucleus. D. Possession of circular DNA. Answer: C. Presence of a true nucleus. 6. Which of the following is not found in all types of prokaryotic cells? A. Cytoplasm. B. Cell membrane. C. Ribosomes. D. Flagella. Answer: D. Flagella. 7. What is the function of the cytoplasm in prokaryotes? A. To provide structural support. B. To regulate the movement of substances in and out of the cell. C. To contain the genetic material of the cell. D. To carry out cellular metabolism. Answer: D. To carry out cellular metabolism. 8. Which of the following is not A type of prokaryotic cell. A. Bacteria. B. Archaea. C. Viruses. D. Blue-green algae. Answer C. Viruses. 9. What is the function of the nucleoid in prokaryotes? A. To store genetic information. B. To regulate the movement of substances in and out of the cell. C. To provide structural support. D. None of the above. Answer A. To store genetic information. 10. Which of the following cellular structures is responsible for generating ATP in prokaryotes? A. Chloroplasts. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosomes. D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above.